Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today I'm here to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart: straightaway blasting in corner camping. That is the almighty Suzuki GSXR 1000R. Sometimes when I'm at the track, people just come over and they're like, "Man, how do you do it?" Let me break my riding style down for you real quickly. When the track is straight, you just simply pin the throttle. You keep your head down, you're in the full tuck. When you approach one of those corners, okay, just grab the boat anchor, throw it over your left shoulder, let it dig into the asphalt, and slow yourself to a point where you could easily put the kickstand down safely. Get the motorcycle turned, right, basically straight up and down, and pull the trigger again. You think you're cool because you drag your knee? I just passed you on the straightaway. Leaning over far is for losers. Losers. You see these knee pucks? I've had this very same pair of knee pucks ever since I started riding on the racetrack. I've never found the need to drag these one time. These things are expensive. They were like 40 bucks a set. You really want to go dragging these around on the asphalt and wearing them out? Hell no, you do not. Buy yourself a 1000cc bike and avoid all that cornering low bullshit. Do you want to be like Rick and be on the straightaway and just see that massive Suzuki disappear into the sunset? No, you don't. I go by him so fast. I literally one time sucked the numbers right off the front of his bike. They were stuck to my tail section when I got down into turn 1 and threw the boat anchor out. It's also important to note that all this having to shift and lean the bike way over, that shit's really overrated. All that matters is going fast. If you're not first, you're last. Those are words to live by. When I'm on my Suzuki GSXR 1000R, I have at all times 1,000 ancient samurai warriors at my disposal. All I have to do to call them to the battlefield is twist this Motion Pro Rev 2 quick turn throttle. And they unsheathe their samurai swords, and away we go down the straightaway, taking souls all the way. Nobody has a chance when you're on a Suzuki. If you're not first,